Okay. In today's class, we are going to see about extensible flex fields and how it is going to use in our Oracle Fusion Cloud implementation. Okay. So today I'm opening a new environment, DAB login with implementation consultant role. Okay, go to global search. So what is the difference between descriptive flex field and extensible flex field? Can anybody tell me? What is the difference between descriptive flex field and extensible flex field, Lovaraju?
Uh, oh, the main difference is how we can see the fields. In descriptive field, we can set up fields, but in extensible flex fields, we can add more data.
Okay. So we can add multiple data, means multiple columns and rows in extensible flex field, whereas descriptive flex field, only we can add only one column or one field at a time. Okay, if you want to capture more fields, you have to go with extensible flex fields. Okay, very good. So now percentile, EFF, percentile. Same, PERSYN, percentile, EFF. So the extensible flex field will come up with code per person, EIT, EFF. So person extra information. So EIT stands for person extra, means EIT stands for extra information extensible flex field. Okay, select that particular extensible flex field, click on edit. Okay, select the person extra information. Select the person extra information. Okay. So if you want to capture some of the details, like if a particular person is having any kind of international exposure, let us take if he has worked in multiple companies in any international level, I want to capture those details. Okay, I want to capture those details. So I want to create one particular context in the category person extra information. Manage context. Create the context. Context is nothing but a section. International experience. So what is the context name? International exposure or experience. And behavior, it is enabled. Behavior, it is multiple rows. So you can capture, suppose if a particular person went for US, UK, Canada, Australia, or multiple countries, he worked there. So you want to capture all the details. So you can use multiple rows. If you want to capture only one particular row, then you have to select single row. But predominantly, we will go for extensible flex field to capture the lot of values, lot of fields, lot of information. Then we have to select multiple rows and enable advanced query filter. If you enable this particular one, you can search with the advanced query filter to capture international exposure of the worker. Okay, you capture the international experience of the worker. So this is the context. Now click on save. So before, this is one of the important error. Without associating this particular context, if you save this one, you will get an error. So now click on OK. You have to associate this particular context. Okay, we have to click on this context usages. Click on plus symbol. Okay, and usage code for person. You have to select this one. You have to, if you select usage for candidate, it will be for Oracle Recruiting Cloud Applications, ORC. Usage code for person is for global HR. View privileges. So if you select view privileges and edit privileges as a none, anybody can view this access and anybody can edit. So for now, we don't want to go into security privileges and keep the default value none and none. So for view privileges also, I'm not changing the values. For edit privileges also, I'm not changing the value, means anybody can, as an employee or a manager or a HR specialist, can update these fields. Okay, now click on save. Okay, so now for this particular context international experience, create some particular columns. Segment is nothing but a column, context sensitive column. This column will appear in this international experience. Let us click on plus symbol. I want to select which country he went for. Country. Okay. Country, it's a unique key. Data type is character. So I want to create some value set. Create a value set for the country. Validation type, independent, because each country is independent of other country. Valid data type. So it is character. That's why yesterday I asked everybody to practice value sets and descriptive flex fields. So in order to come up with the extensible flex field, everybody should have a proper understanding of value sets and descriptive flex field. So value subtype, it's a text. Maximum length, I'm going to give 30. Now I'm going to click on save. So now I'm going to enter the values. I'm going to enter the values inside the country. Now click on plus symbol. So let us take US or USA. Okay. UK. Let us take Australia. South Africa. So I'm selecting only few countries so that I want to consider if the particular countries, if they have worked, I want to take them. I want to take for the particular payroll module. Okay. Mexico, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore, China, Ireland. Let us take Ireland. So these are the different countries I want to capture, whether they are having any kind of experience in this country's payroll. Let us take that kind of requirement. So I want to display them in the sequential order. 1, 2, 3, sorting order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now click on save. I have created a country and I have added this value set. Now I click on save and close. Okay. I clicked on save and close. Save and close. So this is a value set called country. In that we have entered all the values. Okay. The prompting from what you want to display on the page also. That is a country. Okay. So here the country is also the same. Or you want to say payroll country. Let us make it as country only. So now I want to display type as list of values, drop down list from the list. Okay. Display size 30, display height also 30. And I want to make this particular field as BA enabled. Select this checkbox BA enabled. Okay. Now click on save and close. So I have created one particular segment called country. Now click on plus symbol again. I want to create another one. Okay. Now years of experience. Years of experience. So data type. I want to mention this data type as number. Okay, I want to mention this data type as number. So value set. I want to create a value set. Years of experience. So here validation type is format only. I'm selecting as a number. Okay. So what is the value here? Minimum value 1. Maximum value 25 years. So in this one only they have to select minimum and maximum. Okay. Minimum value 1 and maximum value 25. Okay. That's why we are selecting validation as format only. And the value data type is number. If you enter anything except number, it will throw error. Scale is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not required precision and scale. So decimal point is also not required. Minimum value 1, maximum value 25. So now just give that description as years of experience. Click on save. Save and close. So here years of experience is a format only. We don't have to enter the values. Okay. So automatically it will take the values from 1 to 25. So here the text box, I want to display that as a text box because I want to enter the value. Okay. So now click on save and close. So just select country, again click on edit and ensure that it is required field or not. Okay, the first one is required field or not. Now click on save and close. So here what is the context here? International experience. So which country and how many years of experience? So these two are the values we are going to capture. We are going to capture from the particular worker. In which country has worked and how many years of experience he is having in the particular country. Okay. So now click on save and close. Click on save and close. So now we are coming back to the page category person extra information. Okay, we came back to the page person extra information. So now whatever the context we have created, can anybody tell me what is the context we have created? International
Experience.
International experience. So we have to associate the particular context to the category. Select that particular context, international experience, and associate that particular context to the particular category, associated context. Click on apply. Click on OK. Okay, if you see here, international experience. International experience is associated to this particular category, right? Person extra information. Okay, we have associated the context to this particular person extra information. Now we have to create one particular page to capture these details. Okay, we have to create one particular page to capture these details. Worker international experience. Okay, let us take. So usage. So where we are going to use usage code for person. Okay, worker international experience. Click on OK. So worker international experience. I have created one particular page. Okay, I have created one particular page. Okay, for the particular page, I need to add the particular context. So I have created a particular page called worker international experience. Okay, I need to add the particular context. So now click on plus symbol. What is the context we have created? What is the context we have created? Okay, before adding this one, just we need to click on save. Okay. Go back to the pages. What is the page we have created? What is the page we have created, Ram Patel?
Worker
Worker
international experience.
So worker international experience. Okay, now I'm going to associate the particular context here by selecting this one and click on the associated context details. Click on plus symbol. Okay, search here. So are you able to see this context here?
Yes,
International experience. Click on apply. Click on OK. So for this particular page, okay, I have associated the context or section. Okay, what is the page? Worker international experience. Okay, now click on save. So one more thing, this particular page sequence, what is the sequence it is showing here? Worker international experience, what is the sequence it is showing?
690.
90. But I want to display on the top. What is the first one? 2, 4, 5, right? So I want to display it. It should be on the number 1. Okay, it should display on the top of that one. So just I'll change it to 1. Sequence I have changed it to 1. Now click on save. Once we change the sequence, automatically it will show on the top. So worker international experience. Okay. Worker international experience. This is the page we have created. For the particular page, this is the context we have associated. In this context, what are the 2 different fields we have added? What are the 2 fields we have added in the context?
Country and years of experience.
Country and years of experience. Okay, so now everybody clear. So this is a little bit tricky, but anyhow, once you practice, it will be easy. Okay, now we have associated two fields to a context. We have associated the context to the page. Okay, we have created a new page and we have associated the context to the page. Okay, now click on deploy flex field. Okay, we have successfully deployed the extensible flex field. Okay, for the particular page, person extra information. Now click on OK button. Click on done button. Click on done. Now just log out of the application. So now I log in with a particular employee, Mitch Cooper. So as an employee, I want to add some sort of international experience. Okay, I've logged in as an employee role. Okay, so here where I have to go, me, personal information. Sorry, me, go to my public info. Okay, go to my public info, show more. Okay, go to additional personal information. So we have added extra information, right? So that will be there in additional personal information. Click on additional person information. So are we able to see here the worker information international experience page?
Yes, sir.
Are we able to see here the worker international experience page? So these are the different sections, or we can call them as a pages. So these many pages are associated to additional personal information page. Okay, this is a particular main one. Okay, this is a main particular page where you can add as many pages as you want to track. Okay, so now I have selected worker international experience. So why it is showing on the top?
You put that one as a sequence order one.
Very good. We have kept the sequence order as one. So select this worker international experience. So here international experience. So it is showing as a plus symbol add, right? Is it showing add or not?
Sir.
So once we click on add button, so what are the fields it is showing here? Country.
Years.
So let us take, I'm having experience in Canada. I'm having experience in Canada. So it is showing the value, right? Canada. Okay, and how many years of experience I'm having? Let us take, I want to give some, and I want to click on save. So what it is showing here, if I give some G, or I want to add some characters and I want to save, what is the error it is showing? The format is incorrect. The format of the number must be in this pattern. Okay, enter numbers. Okay, enter numbers. Okay, very good. So let us take, I want to enter more than 30 because, so what is the value I have given here? The maximum number
25.
So I want to enter 30. Is it taking? So what it is showing here? Years of experience, 30 is too large. It must be a number less than maximum value 25. Okay, let us take, I will give minus 25 and click on save. So years of experience minus 25 is too small. It must be start with 1. Okay. So now we have validated the years of experience field properly, right? So now I am going to give 5 years of experience, or let us take 6 years of experience in Canada. And now click on save. It has taken the value properly, right? So total how many years of international experience Mitch Cooper is having in Canada? 6 years. Okay, I want to add multiple rows. I want to capture the multiple rows information, right? So again, I want to click on add. Why it is allowing to capture multiple rows, Rinath? In the behavioral pattern, we have selected, multiple rows, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason it is allowing multiple rows to enter the values. Okay, let us take, now I will enter the country UK. So in the country UK, I'm having 4 years of experience. So I have total how many years of international experience I'm having? 6 plus 4, 10 years of experience. Out of 10 years, 6 years in Canada and 4 years in UK. Okay, 6 years in Canada and 4 years in UK. I have entered the details. So this is how we can capture extra information. Suppose you want to add more information, even more. Suppose South Africa. Let us take you are having 7 years of experience in South Africa. So you can enter all these details. Okay, you can enter all these details. So generally, Oracle has not provided any kind of details to enter these values. But we can extend the application using which functionality?
Extensible Flex Field.
We can extend the functionality using Extensible Flex Field functionality. Okay. So now everybody understood the concept. Harinath, have you understood the concept? Harinath, are you there? Okay. Okay, Pranati, have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
So are you practicing Extensible Flex Field concept?
Extensible today only, no, sir, we are discussing, but I'm practicing. Yeah.
Okay, team. Yeah, thanks for your time. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up the session.
I'm clear, sir.
Okay, team. Yeah. Thank you and good night.
Thank you. Thanks.